Ready to turn your skills into income on one of the world's largest freelance platforms? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your Fiverr account as a seller and start your freelance business. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Setting up your Fiverr seller account is your first step toward building a successful freelance career and reaching clients worldwide. Let's get you started on the right foot. First, head to fiverr.com and click Join in the top right corner. You'll be given the option to sign up with email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. Choose the method that works best for you. I recommend using a professional email address. During the sign-up process, Fiverr will ask about your interests. Make sure to select that you're interested in selling or becoming a seller. This helps Fiverr customize your experience and show you relevant resources from the start. After creating your account, you'll need to complete basic verification. This includes confirming your email address, which we'll cover in a separate video, and setting up your initial profile information. Don't rush through this. A complete profile builds trust. A crucial pro tip: even at this early stage, think about your niche. What specific service will you offer? Having a clear idea of your freelance specialty will make the next steps, like creating your first gig, much smoother and more effective. And just like that, you've taken the first exciting step toward becoming a Fiverr seller. The foundation is set for your freelance journey. If this guide helped you get started, please give it a like. What service are you most excited to offer on Fiverr? Share your niche in the comments below. To build your professional presence, subscribe for our next video on how to set up your Fiverr profile. Thanks for watching.